Free silver is great, but free high relief silver, obviously with low mintage, now that's a whole different level. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving deep into our giveaway crab. We do this every single month. We give back to our community. So we're going to hand out some physical shiny to the best community on YouTube. Plus, we're laying out the massive treasure waiting at some upcoming subscriber milestones. First, let's talk about those big targets on the radar. When the channel crosses 7,500 subscribers and 10,000 subscribers, we're pulling some heavy artillery from the Spectres Mint and CIT Mint. So when we hit 7,500 subscribers, this stunning 2-ounce Liberty slot machine piece will be given away. It has a low mintage of 777, and lo and behold, this is number 77 out of 777. So that'll be given away to one of you when we hit 7,500 subscribers. When we hit 10,000 subscribers, it's this beautiful coin from the CIT Mint. Look at the high relief smart minting technology. Another low mintage coin, this being the Viking. Obviously, it has Ragnar Lothbrok and his brothers. We have videos over this coin on our channel, as well as our Liberty Bell and many others. So if you want more information about those, please take that into account. So those are going to be given away at 7,500 and 10,000 subscribers. And we're not just stacking for ourselves here, folks. We love supporting our stacking family. So when our good friend Check Stacker hits 1,000 subscribers, we're also going to give away this here 1-ounce silver bar given to me by Pete over at Longhorn Gold and Silver. So when he hits 1,000 subscribers, this will also be given away. I want to say he's probably like 200 away from that mark, but you can go subscribe and check for yourself. He is one of the heads of the Texas Numismatic Association, and he started a YouTube channel, so we're going to help him out with that. But enough about tomorrow. Let's talk about today. Today we have 2 silver dimes that are going to be going out the door. One of which will be for a channel member, just because they're supporting us all the time, and the other might be for you. So how do you do that? Well, it's very simple. If you've been watching our videos and you've been commenting on our videos, that's the easiest step that gets you into these giveaways. Obviously, all of the rules are down in the description below, but it's that simple. We'll pick a video, we'll pick a comment from that video. If it happens to be you, well, then you're going to be the winner. So you'll be getting one of these silver dimes if you're selected, as well as this right here given by the Check Stacker. This is the America 250 right here, $50, beautiful, and dime. So we're throwing that in today as well. It did not get claimed last time. Remember, if you do win, you have 3 days from the posting of the video to email me, cultureofcurrency@gmail.com, to say, hey, I won, and then we exchange our particulars and go from there. These are also a couple stickers from the Check Stacker that we're throwing in as well. So enough about me. Let's get to you. Let's go ahead and get to this video, and then we can take care of business as usual. So as you can see, we're at 5,289 subscribers, slowly moving our way up to that 7,500 giveaway. But what we do is we go to our content here. We pick a video from this month that has gone out, and then we basically pick a comment from it. And it's as simple as that. Let's see. From this month, let's go with the Bullion World Cup. This was the North American Giants, so we'll pick this video. If you don't know what the Bullion World Cup is, we're basically taking the regions of the world, finding bullion coins that we think are fantastic. Of all of those, I bring 3 of them to you, and you, the viewers, get to pick the winner of those 3, and then we will eventually have elimination phases. So right now we've done the Caribbean, we've done Asia, we've done Africa, and North America. I believe Europe is going to be next on our list. We're going to go ahead and get this video link just like that. Then we go over to our random comment picker here. Simple enough. We put it in. Go down here, make sure that there's no duplicate users. 22 plus 11, anyone know what that is? Let's go ahead and get that going. says we have 27 unique comments. So if you commented on that video, you have a 1 in 27 chance of winning. Let's go ahead and see who it shall be. And it's off. Looks like it's going to be Mama Cat. All right. Fantastic. So she is the winner. So Mama Cat, you need to email me, cultureofcurrency@gmail.com, within the next 3 days, and I will send out a silver dime for you. Now let's get to which channel member wins a silver dime. Oh yeah, and Mama Cat, you also get the 250th half dollar and dime. We're going to spin this. We have our channel members over here. There are 18 of those. So you have a 1 in 18% chance of winning. We're giving a silver dime away for the rest of this year, channel members. So you have decent odds. Here we go. Let's see who wins this month. It is looking like it is going to be Metal Matt. I see it as you see it, folks. So Metal Matt, email me within 3 days of this video posting, and I will send you your silver dime as well. Absolutely good stuff here today. As always, we love doing this. We love showing our community that silver doesn't have to be all about fear, as many people out there would tell you. It can be about joy. It can be about love. It can be about, the history, the culture, all of the things that we see on these coins. But we want to spread that to you. One day we hope that this channel gets so big that I'm giving away at least an ounce of silver a month. That's not crazy to think about, but it does take obviously some time and some growth to get there. But that's what we have for you today. Thank you so much as always for watching. And until next time, please remember to stay classy and current with the culture of currency.